Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday and it's going to be a what I eat in a day video. So if you follow me on Instagram, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to be following me on Instagram because I post so much like behind the scenes type of content, and I really do like a whole vlog right there on my Instagram every single day. I should be doing it for YouTube, but I don't. Anyway, if you've been following me on Instagram, then you've seen that lately I've been posting some things that's really not keto. And that's because I've kind of been moving towards more of a low carb approach than a very strict keto approach. Some days though, I'll end up being somewhat keto, and then some days I end up being low carb. But it just depends on how I feel that day. Like if I'm doing a keto day, I keep my fats low, carbs high. If I'm doing a low carb day, I'll add in a little more carbs and I will decrease my fat to maybe about 50%, about 40 to 50%, depending on, you know, kind of what I do. Anyways, today is going to be a low carb day, and I'm going to start with my morning coffee. So this is what I do for my coffee. This is just instant coffee, and I put water in it and some ice because I'm going to make an iced coffee. And this is Premier Protein. Okay, you can use any flavor. This is cookies and cream, but usually I would use caramel flavor, but I wanted to try cookies and cream. But so what I do is I pour half of this into my coffee, and this really just kind of sets me up for the day, and it helps with cravings, and it's really nutritious. Premier Protein is a really good protein, but pretty much I just mix it on up. Boop. So you just, okay, there we go. Yeah, you mix it all up, and the Premier Protein actually kind of tastes like coffee creamer. It doesn't have like that weird I don't feel like it has like that weird protein powder taste. It tastes really similar to a creamer, and you got protein, so it's a meal plus your caffeine, and it tastes really good, guys. You don't have to add any sweetener or anything. I feel like it's already sweet enough depending on how much coffee you put in it. But this is gonna be my first meal of the day. Yummies. Whew. Hey guys, so it is lunchtime. It is now 12:19. I've been working, taking calls, and I'm hungry, so now I'm gonna eat some lunch. So I'm gonna cook some zucchini in my air fryer, and then I'm gonna reheat some chicken breast that I cooked like, I don't know, a couple days ago. All right, zucchini is going into the air fryer. Oops, move that out the way. So I like to cook it for about 12 minutes on 400. Also, while I'm cooking, I'm just gonna be snacking on some salami. I get these from not Trader Joe's, Aldi. They're really cheap. This whole bag was like maybe about, I want to say it was $4.99 or $5.99. In other stores, to get this much salami, it's like maybe $7 to $9. So Aldi is definitely cheaper, but I like snacking on these. They're a very, you know, low carb snack. This is good if you're keto or low carb, but just watch your fats if you are doing low carb. It just depends on how much fat you're eating. I'm doing more so of a low carb, but still moderate fat. So this won't really hurt me, but if you're doing like a low carb and low fat, high protein, you might not want to eat these. So good. Also, let me put you guys up on game. Okay, if you want a really nice refreshing drink, let me show you what you do. So 310 Nutrition sent me a care package with their starter kit, and in it was these little drink packets here. It's called the 310 lemonade in peach, punch, and it's these little packets here, but in it there's only 2 grams of carbs in here. It says it hydrates, energizes, and alkalizes, and I believe it has green tea in the ingredients, but the ingredients aren't on here, but I looked them up online. I believe it has like green tea. It's like energy as well. Anywho, you're gonna put 1 packet in a glass of ice. Then you're gonna take whatever sparkling water that you want. I'm using AHA. It's not like my favorite, it just was on sale. So, but you're gonna take it and you're just gonna pour it on in. When I tell you guys that this tastes so refreshing. You're gonna mix it on up. You guys, this tastes so good. It tastes like a really nice, refreshing drink. It doesn't taste like it's supposed to be healthy. It just tastes like a really nice, like, carbonated drink, almost like a soda. It's really good. Yummy. So, like, if you are interested in trying 310, you can use my discount code. All right, guys, this is my lunch. This is about 3 ounces of zucchini. That's about 4.5 ounces of chicken, and then a little bit of ranch for dipping. And then I have my drink. So this will be my lunch. Hey guys, so I was just about to eat this and I totally forgot that I was vlogging today. But I was really craving something sweet, y'all. I was this close to eating one of these cookies that we got in there. Knowing or not, I'm not supposed to be eating the cookie, right? But then I remembered that I had these. You guys, Chalk Zero is like the best, like, sugar-free chocolate, and I really feel like they changed their formula because it just seems like it's more creamier than usual, even though this is not going to be as creamy as like your Dove chocolate or your Godiva, but it's a really good replacement. This is the hazelnut, salted hazelnut, so it has like hazelnuts in it and it has salt in it. It is so good, but when I tell you, it really kills that sugar craving, guys. It just knocks it out. So I'm really glad. I totally forgot that I had these. And I was like, because I was literally, y'all, I was about to give in and eat that cookie, y'all. I was so about to do it. But today is my low carb day, so I'm really trying to stick to my low carb macros. But oh my God, I'm so, you know what? I'll go ahead and link this in the description because these are so good. Trust me, you guys need to get these. So good. All right, so I finally went and got my ring light. Got tired of talking to you guys in the dark. Anyways, I'm about to make a smoothie, and I'm going to be using the 310 protein shake. So 310 sent me this little starter kit to try their products, and I'm super excited. I've already showed you guys the drink, and they sent me a few of those, and those are really good. But this is the first time that I'm trying the protein shakes, and I want to see how they taste in my smoothies. You guys know I love smoothies. If you follow me on Instagram, you see I've been posting a lot of smoothies, so I'm really excited to see how this is going to taste with my smoothie bowls, so stay tuned. So this is the starter kit, and you can actually get this on their website as well. It's really affordable if you just want to try it out. It comes with this cute little bottle, and I think you can attach it to your key. It has like a little keychain thing in there. But you get you know, this little pamphlet here. It comes with 4 different flavors of protein. So I'm going to be using the vanilla, and then it comes with a couple of these. So I don't know if each starter kit is the same, but this is the one I got, and I'm going to be using the vanilla protein for my shake. All right, so first I'm going to start with just a splash of almond milk. Just a splash. That's it. Then I'm going to add my fruit. So for fruit, I'm using mangoes. So I have some frozen mango here. And I'm just going to put like a handful of frozen mango. I'm going to try to measure this out in my macros. I'm going to estimate. So I'm going to say about a cup about a cup or so of mango. And quick tip, if you want your protein, if you want your smoothie bowl to be a little bit thicker, but you don't want to add a whole bunch of really sugary fruit, like, you know, bananas and mango are really, really sugary. So you can actually just use cauliflower to kind of give it like a little bit more volume without adding a whole lot of sugar. So typically, you know, I'll add some cauliflower, and you can really add as much cauliflower as you want because it's really, really low in carbs, like, and no sugar. So, and then I'm going to add 1 packet of acai. I think I want to add some strawberries as well. I'm gonna add a few berries. This is like a mixed berry type of situation with blackberries and blueberries. Just a few. Like I said, I'm gonna estimate this in my macros to try to be as accurate as possible. Another really cool thing you can add to your smoothies is these pitaya powder, but they also have a lot of other powders. So the pitaya has a lot of nutrients, but it just makes your smoothie a really pretty color. And sometimes I use blue spirulina, I think that's how you say it. Blue spirulina sometimes, and it just makes sure smoothies are like a really pretty color. I'm gonna add a little bit. It's kind of gotten dried up, so it's in chunks, but I'm gonna add like 1 chunk because it's all stuck together now, but 1 chunk, whatever. And then I almost forgot the protein powder. You could totally eat this smoothie without protein powder, but I'm gonna add some protein powder, and of course I'm using my 310 protein powder with vanilla. I forgot to say, this is actually organic and vegan, so it's good if you're vegan or if you're not vegan. And actually all of their shakes are keto friendly, so they're not a keto product, okay? So it's not just for keto, but if you are keto, you can drink these proteins, and you can drink this protein as well. There's no artificial sugars, there's no and it's sugar free. So great, put that in the bowl. I'm gonna insert a picture of how it looks because if I lean it over, it's gonna fall. But anyway, so I topped it off with grain-free granola, which is a keto-friendly granola, coconut chips, hemp seeds, and a little bit of cacao nibs, okay? So I hope you guys can see that. Came out really good, so let's give this a taste. I would say it does have a very distinct flavor because, you know, meal replacements, they have a different taste than regular protein. But it is a really good tasting meal replacement. I could definitely see myself incorporating these more into my smoothie bowls. This is really good. On top of this being a really, really good meal replacement, it's actually packed with like nutrients. So the ingredients are triplex protein blend, which is organic pea protein isolate, organic brown rice protein concentrate, and organic pumpkin protein. It has an organic fiber superfood blend. It has spirulina in here, ginger, chlorella, I can never say this, chlorella, broccoli powder, organic chocolate mushroom, organic beetroot powder, alfalfa, spinach powder, turmeric powder. It's packed with nutrients. I will almost compare this to a Shakeology. And you guys know, I love me some Shakeology. I got like 5 bags of Shakeology right now in the refrigerator. I mean, I have like 2 or 3 bags of Shakeology in my cabinet right now. But this actually I would probably compare this to a Shakeology, and it's a little bit more affordable than Shakeology. So if you guys want to give it a try, you can use my discount code to get I think I want to say 10% off. Use my discount code, get 10% off of 310. Alright guys, it is time for dinner. I look so exhausted, and that's because I've been on the phone literally all day. So Mondays are typically my busiest day of the week. I am booked with calls, either from client check-in calls to people who want to join my program. We always have to book a consultation call, business calls. Like, I've literally been on the phone since about 10 a.m. and now it is 7:30, and I've had like maybe a 30-minute break here, 30-minute break there, but I've been on the phone since about 10 o'clock. So I'm done with that, and now I'm about to eat. So I think I'm going to make some kimchi tacos, and this is something I've been eating a lot lately. It's pretty much just ground beef with taco seasoning, kimchi, Monterey Jack cheese, and the low-carb tortillas. And I'm probably gonna have like 2 of those for dinner. But it sounds weird, but it tastes like really good. You guys should give it a try. So this is my dinner. This is 2 kimchi tacos. Sounds weird, but it tastes really good. So after this, I'm just gonna call it a night. Like I said, it's been a really long day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a what I eat in a day when I'm working from home on a really busy day. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe. Also guys, make sure that you subscribe to my new channel. I just created a channel that's going to be just for workouts. Okay, so this channel is going to be like what I eat in a day, nutrition tips, and maybe some vlogs here and there. And then my new channel is going to be all workouts. So you guys have one dedicated channel just for at home and gym beginner friendly style workouts. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to Deja Fit, and there's gonna be tons and tons of new content coming out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.